that is none other than Ms. Carly Simon and Mr. James Taylor and Mockingbird. Mock.
Yeah.
Ing.
Yeah.
Bird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mockingbird. Now everybody,
Have you heard?
he's gonna buy
me Mockingbird. If that Mockingbird don't sing, she's gonna buy me a big iron ring. Diamond ring don't shine. Gonna break this part of my iron. Wine and of these are standing every leader said, whoa, 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 whoa. Have to stand. To find me some peace of mind. The peace of mind don't stay. She's gonna find me a better way. If that's better, we ain't so. Gonna to fight and go with the flow. Shouting everybody said, whoa, 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 whoa. You having a hard time over there?
Yeah,
or
I
what?
am. Frankly.
Why is that?
I don't own the song. I don't love the song. I don't like
the
all
words
these
are right
guys.
there in front of you,
Yeah, it's not the words.
Well-
it's the melody.
and yet somehow you're not getting the words right. I don't understand that. They were so good together too.
Yeah. Right when he was put all that heroin into his system.
Everybody have you heard? She's gonna buy me a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, she's gonna buy me a diamond ring. If that diamond ring don't shine, it's gonna break this heart of mine. That's the reason why I keep on telling everybody said, yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. Listen now and understand. She's gonna find me a peace of mind. And if that peace of mind won't stay, you're singing my parts. You're singing my parts. My rise above, I might go below. Ride with the tide and go with the flow. And that's the reason why I keep on shouting in your ear. Said, you really do need to rehearse.
Well,
You're singing my parts.
I was pushing for Ebony and Ivory.
Yeah,
I could
well.
have done Ebony and Ivory.
That may be, but that wasn't what you played. What you played was Mockingbird.
Because you forced me into it.
Oh, you're the one who played it.
told
That's
me.
what the verse was.
No one's gonna be able to see it because you see the light is off.
Oh, for Christ's sake, with the light.
Yeah, you gotta turn the light on because
Jesus.
people want to be able to see what you look like. Wow, it's almost
Look at
lifelike.
this, I'm rolling all over.
Hi, it's Baxter O'Brien here.
Whoa!
Next week on the show, we have Tony Signoli talking about Tuesday's big election, the midterm elections. Find out what's going on in the governor's race and some of the national things with the Republicans and the Democrats. And then we got Ron Chamelis, Pixie, tell you more about the car we're giving away with fathers and sons during the Mayflower Marathon.
Hey, Baxi,
Yes.
check it out. 4 times around. Whoa! Whoa!
Very impressive.
Whoa!
Yeah.